Vaughn, Vaughn, Vaughn. All right, so I just put in another play for today for KO. I only closed it with I think 13 or 14% for like $26. I was supposed to had made more on the play, but I had to close it early because it's an intraday trade. But with the intraday, once again, it's options. I got the contract for a couple days out, so it's off the hourly time frame. I would probably have needed an extra day or two in order for the play to play out fully to hit full TP. But tomorrow, Coca-Cola has earnings before the market opens. So what I didn't want to do was I didn't want to have my play be in profit. Then it kind of play around for the rest of the day, and then come tomorrow, earnings come out, my play lose. So yeah, we finna go ahead and look at the charts and show y'all what I seen. All right, so before I show y'all the KO play, I want to first talk on the CVS play. So I got what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 12 plays that I had that I looked at for yesterday. We're gonna go over the CVS play for the. I'm not gonna go over all 12. I'm just talk on a couple of these. Get on KO for short lived, CRS. ADP, and CVS. So for CVS, if y'all watch my last video, CVS, I couldn't get into this play because there's no volume. Like I said, that was one of the cons, one of the biggest cons, one of the things I hate the most is when there's no volume. So I get into this trade, I'm the only one in it. So let's say this trade hit 100%. I can't close the trade. Why? There's no one else to be able to take the contract for me. No volume. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and get on this KO play because last time I just seen it, like I was finna go touch TP. So, like I said earlier, the KO play, it would have probably needed an extra day or two or something like that. So I had closed it early. So I closed it somewhere around this area. Now, if today this go down and touch the bottom of this flag, that's gonna piss me off. I ain't gonna lie to you. The reason I closed it because they have earnings tomorrow. Coca-Cola. They have earnings tomorrow. So that's that. So I closed it. I closed it early. I was supposed to have made more, but I closed that early. Pep, that was invalidated. I think ADP was also another decent play, just no volume. Okay, no, I didn't. No, it's not that one. Damn, which one? It's not Allstate. It ain't Allstate. CVS, no volume. CRS, if I didn't go over that one. CRS. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So CRS is another play I could have potentially gotten into. So this is market open. This candle right here is a market open. I was going to initially get in right here because it's pretty much at the entry point to be able to get in for this bear flag off the 1 hour. But by the time market open, it completely took off. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to chase the trade. So you don't want to get in somewhere up here and now look, it's all the way down here. So now you down. My stop loss is right here underneath this candle. So what you don't want to do is you don't want to chase the trade and it come all the way back down. Now you got a crazy stop and your profit won't match what your stop is. So at that point, it's pretty much pointless. Lift. If I didn't talk about lift. Uh-oh. If I didn't talk about lift. So if I didn't talk about Lyft definitely blew me. This right here would have been like a 40 or 50% trade also. So this candle right here was like a doji. So it was pretty much right here and it wasn't moving at all. So it was at the entry area. I just wanted to see it print a little bit more before I got in. So I got off the play to put some other plays in or to look at other plays. And by the time I came back, it took off. So by the time I came back, it was somewhere right here. So I was like, damn, it's pretty much gone. So I missed out on that play. And as you can see, it's about to go hit full TP. I probably would have gotten out somewhere right here because I don't like to be greedy. Anything could happen. So, yeah, I missed out on that play. But I do have two other plays still within my portfolio. Well, still within my within other positions that I'm in. I have two other positions that I'm in. I got CVX and KHC. CVX is what is that? Chevron, the gas company. And then KHC is just Kraft Heinz. So yeah, I'm up 17% for KHC, and I'm up 3% for CVX. I still got time on those plays, so let's go ahead and touch on those. We're gonna do KHC first. So I still got crazy time on that. There we go. So I still got crazy time on this play. This is my profit area, or my target take profit area right here. Yeah, so this is gonna be well over 100% play. So I need that to play out. Sound like we got a special guest coming. And then of course I got CVX right here. And this right here is my full TP. So that should be another 60 or 70% trade. Hopefully. I think I'm lying to y'all. No, I think I'm right. That should be like 40, 50%, hopefully. Stickies. We got a special guest. Don't look at his titties, y'all.
Say good morning.
Hi. Good morning. Say good morning, guys.
Hi, guys.
Ah! Hey. Don't be looking at his titties either. You little freaks. I know. There'll be some little weirdos on the internet. I'm probably going to put you on here. Don't be looking at his chest, man. But yeah, that's pretty much all I had. That's pretty much all I had, man. Yeah, of course, like I said, I got other plays on here. But most of them were either invalidated, like Pep. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all real quick. I'm going to show y'all invalidated play. Something you really don't want to try to chase or get into, or with the hopes that it's going to probably play out. So something like Pep. So you see how this candle right here came all the way up to invalidate the bear flag pretty much. And then it's going to come back down. So what you don't want to do is, well, what I don't want to do is, this is real money. So I don't want to take a chance on something like this. And, get in once it break. And then, of course, invalidates all over again. So I'd just rather stay away. It's always a trade somewhere else. And, yeah, I'm cool. I'm patient. That's the purpose of swinging. I don't have to sit here all day. I don't have to do nothing crazy. Just give my plays time and, let it do what it do. So that's pretty much it, man. That's all I got. And, yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. The next video I do put up will be which is best between swings and day trading, and which one I like the most. So, yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. And can you say deuces?
No.
No? No. What you mean no? Say bye. You better say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
There we go. All right, man. That's gonna wrap up the video. That was so cute. Oh, that was so cute. All right. Deuces, Pep.